up the streets, going back to the In-N-Out Burger, you got Sugar. You got the Highroller in front of you, the Link. And thousands of people coming off the July 4th party here in Las Vegas. So come join us. Check out the thousands as we make our way to the In-N-Out Burger here in Las Vegas, Nevada for the July 4th finale. Breeze Daiquiri Bar. You got the Flamingo. You got Love Sugar. You also got Sweet Sin over there. So come join us. And we're heading back what's referred to as off the strip area. You got the wheel in front of us. The crowd's thinning out a little, not much, but a little. So everybody be happy. It could always be worse. We make our final finale to the In-N-Out Burger. Let's hope they're not too busy. And you got the Highroller right in front of us. So check them out. Come follow us, enjoy. See you next year.